So here's the deal, I really need some help packing for Hawaii. Before I actually show you guys like what I'm planning on packing, I'm gonna try and put things into categories like athletic wear, little casual t-shirts, nicer outfits, swimsuits. I don't know, I'm gonna try and put these into categories so it's a little bit easier for me to show you guys everything. Because right now it's like all just in this. I'm literally on the suitcase. It's a mess. I don't, you know, we'll see. Okay. There. So yeah, I've got these kind of like cover up pieces, kind of like nicer tops. My denim. These are like my dinner outfits. Kind of just like jackets, sweatshirts, like t-shirts, crop tops right here, my workout stuff right here. I gotta figure out that. But I narrowed it down to swimsuits, so I'll show you guys those. So the first one is this little, what's this called, like acid wash, kind of like tie-dye-ish top. I think I got it at Kiwanis Swim. Not sure because it doesn't have like anything on the tag. But it comes with these bottoms. I have like a hair on me. Always shedding. Anybody else? These bottoms, they're really not cheeky. I don't know. Are they? Who knows? See, you'll see in my Instagram pics. So this and this. So I've actually never worn this one before, but I got it maybe like a year, probably 2 years ago. This is a new addition to my collection, swimsuit collection, and I've never bought a high-waisted bikini bottom. I actually got this one from Target. So, high-waisted, and it comes with this top. It's kind of like straight across. It's really, really flattering. Cute, so definitely wearing this one. This is from Midori Bikini. This one, and I'm planning on pairing it with this. These are really cheeky bottoms. This, super cute. This one I just wanted to bring because like black, basic. Guys, I'm like sweating. Yeah. These are from Midori, just black. They got like that butt ruching thingy to kind of like make your butt look bigger. And I think I got this from Target like years and years and years ago. This one's just for like tanning. Just plain black, basic little thing. If like I don't want to wear any of these other ones that I brought. But I will. I think this one's my favorite one that I'm bringing. Also from Midori. Bikinis. Super cute. This one has pretty full coverage. Let's see this bottom. Very sporty back. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite one. I'm really excited to wear this one. This one's from L Space. Very, very high coverage. And the top, I really, really like this top. Two more from Midori. This one I was like, I have to wear this. This is so Hawaiian. And same little athletic bottom, or back. With these are pretty full coverage bottoms as well. So I'm bringing like a mixture, full coverage, kind of cheeky also. Not really like, the only ones that are like basically thongs are that red one, I'll show you again, but the other ones are pretty like average, like middle coverage. And then these, they have the ruching on the butt too, to kind of like make it look like you have a bigger butt, but you may not. not. These are kind of the only like thong ones. They're pretty cheeky. Okay, so I gotta go, but I'll come back and I'll try on all the clothes portion. Sorry for this weird angle, but I'm back. This first category is like swimsuit cover-ups. So let me know what you think about this one, because I really think I don't like it. It's like has this look, it like accentuates this bruise I have. Yeah, I don't know. It's not really me. I don't even know where I got this. So these next 3 outfits are from Princess Polly, and I specifically got them for this trip, so I'm definitely gonna take them. I don't think I'm gonna take this. Okay, so this one, and yeah, like I'm gonna use it as a cover up because it's really, you can like see through this. I think it's cute. Okay, next up is leopard. I never know. How do you know if it's leopard or cheetah? But it's actually pretty big, even though I got an extra small. But I think it's really cute as a cover up. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this or you think it's ugly. Just let me know in the comments. Okay, next. This one's definitely my favorite of the ones that I got from Princess Polly. So cute, this button detail all the way down, the hemline, super cute. Yeah, you can definitely see through this one though, so sorry. All right, we're getting a little scandalous. This is like a set. So it has like these deep slits in each leg. And so yeah, I think I definitely wear these pants on the beach, and this top obviously goes with it, but I don't know if I'd wear the top with the pants on the beach. But I don't know, let me know. Super scanty. I don't know, so should I take them both? And then maybe wear, oh my god, you can see like everything. Should I take them both and then maybe wear like the pants with just like a swimsuit top, and then maybe wear the top with like jean bottoms? I don't know. And then I have this one. What do you think? Is this like too overdone as like a little cover up top? Yeah, don't mind this. It's just, yeah. Oh my gosh, I think a tour is like going by. How embarrassing. Oh gosh. Okay. But yeah, it has this like little detail that you can like put it up, or you can like leave it up like that. Pockets. I don't know. What do y'all think? I think it's cute just to pop on, go to the beach. These are kind of annoying though, so. Alright, so for this one I had to put my jean shorts on that I'm like definitely taking, but like look at this Hawaiian top. So cute, like I have to. I'll probably just go down there like with my swimsuit bottoms and just like have this. Very chill, relaxed. I mean, I have to, right? But yeah, these are the shorts. Ooh, they're a little tight. Oh, and they're not all the way zipped or buttons because there's like tons of buttons. But cute, simple shorts. Fun fact, a few years ago, I tried to start Hawaiian Shirt Wednesday at my school and it didn't work. Bye. Okay, so I buttoned up the shorts, don't worry. Do you think this top is worthy of going with me? Getting packed. Just a little peplum kind of top. I don't know. Thoughts? Also, I'm really tired. I don't know how people do try-ons. I decided I'm gonna just show you kind of like my fancier pieces, and yeah, sorry. I'm probably just maybe like show up all the other things I'm planning on taking, because this is just gonna take way too long and I have fun tomorrow and I really gotta study. But I'll show you the fancier pieces. Okay, so this first one, sorry. This first one Still filming on my iPhone, so there's that one. Okay, this first one is this. I thought it was a dress. Honestly, I own this piece, but it is a romper, but it's super short, so I feel like I have like a wedgie. But I think it's really cute. Like, look at this detail on the top, and it's a romper, so I think I'm definitely gonna take this one for like dinner. And I'm gonna be like super tan. I'm already pretty tan, but even more tan, and then I'll look even more tan in this. But I'm glad I'm doing this little try on thing because I tried these on and these like are way too small for me and they go with this. So unfortunately that's kind of sad. I don't know, do you think I should still take the top? Here are some short options too. I think I'm probably gonna take these. But I don't know, do you think it's worth it to take the top as well? I wouldn't wear it with this, but just, yeah. Let me know. So this little two-piece white set, how cute is this? This is adorable. Like, look at this detail. So cute. Definitely taking this. I can't zip this one like all the way up by myself, but what do you think? Is this too like matronly for Hawaii? I don't know, is this too like I'm going to church? It may be. But it does have a little slip. And I think I'm definitely gonna take this one. This is a little jumpsuit. It's just so very cute. Fun. Looks like I tried really hard, but it's just like one article of clothing. Yeah, I really like it. Definitely gonna take this one. Okay, so the rest of the things I'm gonna show you are just kind of like cuter tops that aren't just like t-shirts. And then I'm gonna probably just end this because I feel like it's all over the place. And I'm really tired. I honestly don't know how people like do this. Okay, so this is the first top. It's like one of those like smock tops. Very, very cute off the shoulder. Another smock top. Very cute, all white. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear underneath this because I tried to wear like those nipple covers, but then it made me look like my nipples were like the size of my boobs, like, because you could see them through this. So I'm not sure. I may have to get like a white bandeau or something. Not sure. And this just cute little crop tank. I think it's cute. This one is already on my Instagram, but I just think it's like perfect for Hawaii. This cute little floral crop. Very, very cute. This I'm not really sure if I'm actually gonna bring. It's pretty, just like this really old top. I may not bring this one. And then this little kind of silky tank top thing. I think I'm definitely gonna bring this just because these like leaves remind me of Hawaii nature. Definitely bringing this black skirt. Super, super cute. I really like. Oh my gosh, what does this have on it? I think I gotta wash this. R. Kelly and me, okay, bye. Okay, I was like sitting in a squat, and so they kind of were like cramping out. That's embarrassing. Okay, sorry that was so all over the place, but hopefully you got an idea of what I'm taking to Hawaii, and obviously check out my Instagram because I'll probably be posting like a bunch of my outfits on there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.